be a couple of examples that I can send you. Those are good. One thing I would really like you to do before, and you have almost a month to do it, you need to practice. So tips and tricks on the storytelling and on the other stuff. The first 30 seconds is really critical. I would argue the first 15 seconds is really critical because you don't want to lose my attention. There will be 15 or 20 pitches back to back to back, and investors will lose attention. This is online. I have everything going around me. If you want me to pay attention to you, you need to grab my attention. So it doesn't come out of nowhere. I'll send you this very nice pitch. So something that you'll take a good example of. He's talking about a very technical medical device, but he manages to tell the story of how he built the medical device on a level that even a grandmother would understand. So that's another thing. One thing I strongly suggest is keep in mind that if you start strong with a lot of energy, a lot of passion, and if you repeat what you think is important for me to remember 3 times during a 2.5-minute pitch, not with the same words, but with the same structure, same messaging. And if you finish strong with a good ask, good designed fundraising ask or a sales ask or a company ask, then I will probably remember you. And the first thing you want me to do is to remember you so I can get back to you and I'll remember what you've done. So again, there are a few presentations that I'll attach that will give you a few tips as well. So this is a critical point where we all know you don't have everything that you require to build a large company. You are a startup. You don't have enough funding. You don't have enough technology. You don't have enough team members. You don't have enough this and this and this and that. But I don't want to know about what you lack. I want you to be honest about what you feel you don't have yet. But I also want you to be really ambitious and proud about what you have. So if you have traction, and that may be an answer to some of the questions. If you're in a very early idea stage, it is really difficult to stand out of the other startups. You need to show me you have built something that somebody is interested to use, pay for, advise, refer, spend time with, whatever you define as a business model, please make sure you show it to me. If you really have been working together for 3 years as a team, that is a strength. I need to know this. Don't just put 3 figureheads and say, oh, this guy does this guy does that, this guy does that. This will be a disservice to all the work you've done. So you need to be very careful in understanding what your strengths are, because those are the things that will give me hope. If you don't have anything that you are really good at, why would I care about it?